Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. A warm greeting from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I am going to explain about the key elements of OB, Organization Behavior. So we'll understand its key elements provides the basic how the individual or a group or technology interact and shape the organization dynamics. So what are the main key elements of the organization behavior is these are people, structure, technology, environment. The purpose of the organization behavior, why it is important. Let us see the organization behavior involves the study of human behavior within the context of the organization. Understanding its elements provides insight into the how individuals, groups, or technology interact the shape the organization in dynamics. So, people serves as a backbone of any organization, and understanding human behavior is crucial for effective leadership and business management. Studying the individual behavior, group dynamics, and organization culture within the shapes of the organization that will emphasize us how important is the organization behavior is. So, studying the individual behavior, group, or the organization structure, these plays an important part in improving the work environment and encouraging the teamwork. Ultimately, increases the productivity within the company. These factors contributes to the income and long-term sustainability of the organization. So, how the structure of the organization establishes its formal structure and defines the roles, responsibilities, and relationship among the members. So here we have the different departments like departmentalization, authority, delegation, range of control, and centralization of the decision making are all included in this structure. So managers can improve the decision making processes, simplifying the communication channels and maximize productivity by closing the examining the organization structure. Managers may effectively allocate the resources and promote the collaboration by having an in-depth knowledge of the structural components. So they can also modify the organization strategy to deal with the changing opportunities and challenges in the competitive business landscape. Now we'll see the technology. In the current digital era, organization behavior is generally impacted on the technology. Collaboration and information management are being transformed by data analytics. So, authentication and communication platform businesses takes advantage of the technology and advancements to gain the competitive edge by understanding how they affect the behavior and make the suitable challenges. By adopting these changes, the companies may improve the productivity and optimize the business processes. This maintains their competitive edge in the evaluating the business and position them for a long term success in the digital era. So the organization environmental encompasses the internal and external factors impacting the behavior and decision making. Internally, it includes the culture, values, policies, while externally it involves the economical, social, technological changes. So managers can navigate these dynamics by thoroughly analyzing their organization environment. By identifying issues and other opportunities, managers can adopt to changes and leverage trends, fostering a positive workplace culture, and it cultivates an environmental and smooth organization success and employee well-being. So the purpose of this main elements plays a very important role, and it enhances the leaderships. So organization behavior aims to enhance the organizational effectiveness by understanding and managing the human behavior within the organization context. So this is the an overview of the uh, main elements of the organization behavior. So the academic study of the how the people interact and with the group in the within the limited circumstances. So these are the main elements which plays a very important role. Thank you all.